You must have heard the name Vaseline. You probably use it too. But do you know that this small petroleum jelly can make you look more attractive, clean, and confident? Yes, bro. It's not only for dry lips. If you know how to use it in a smart way, then it can become your secret grooming weapon with which your face will glow, your lips will stay soft, and your overall look will feel fresh. People use expensive creams and serums. And today I'm going to tell you 5 such Vaseline tricks which are simple and useful for every boy. Whether it's winter or summer, these hacks will level up both your appearance and confidence. So make sure to watch till the end of the video, because at the last I will share a bonus Vaseline hack which will literally make you noticeable the very next morning. So let's start with the first trick, lip care. Because bro, the first impression on the face is made from there. Whether you are going to college, in the gym, or casually talking to someone, if your lips are dry, cracked, or turned white, then the entire look starts looking dull. Lips are the center point of our face, and when they are clean, hydrated, and soft, the whole personality looks fresh and attractive. The simple trick is this: at night before sleeping, apply a thin layer of Vaseline on your lips. It locks moisture overnight, and by morning your lips become naturally soft, hydrated, and smooth. But if you want slightly faster results, then try an easy hack. Mix a little coconut oil in Vaseline and with a soft toothbrush, gently rub your lips for 10 to 15 seconds. This removes dead skin, increases blood circulation, and lips look naturally pink and healthy without any fancy product. Especially in winter, when lips get more dry, this trick is literally a lifesaver. Soft lips not only make your look fresh, but also create a clean and confident vibe. Bro, the first area of the face where tiredness and stress show is under the eyes. Whether the whole night went in Netflix or late night study sessions, in the morning dullness, dryness, and dark circles are clearly visible, and this small thing ruins the entire freshness of the face. But the good news is, this problem can be easily fixed with Vaseline. Before sleeping at night, just take a little Vaseline on your fingertip and gently apply it under the eyes. A thin layer is enough. It creates a moisture barrier that locks the skin's natural oils and protects from dryness. In just a few days, you will clearly feel the difference. The skin will start feeling soft, darkness will fade a little, and the whole face will look more fresh and awake. Especially in cold weather, when the skin becomes more dry, this trick works perfectly. A clean face looks complete only when eyebrows and eyelashes are properly groomed. Often boys ignore these small things, but the truth is these details give the entire face a sharp and masculine look. Just take a tiny amount of Vaseline on your fingertip or brush and apply it evenly on eyebrows and eyelashes. This will do 2 things. First, brows will stay in shape and random hairs will get set. Second, it will bring a slight healthy shine, which instantly gives a polished and clean vibe to the face. If you use it regularly, eyebrows start feeling naturally softer and more manageable. And eyelashes also feel slightly thicker and healthier. Have you ever noticed, bro, some people's faces naturally glow in camera or light? That doesn't happen from expensive highlighters, but from a simple hack. Just take a little Vaseline and lightly dab it on the cheekbones and nose bridge. It gives instant shine and freshness, as if the skin is naturally hydrated. This hack is especially perfect for moments when the face looks a little dull, like winter mornings or after long college breaks. Vaseline works like a natural highlighter that reflects light and brings a subtle glow to the skin, without makeup, without looking fake. And the best part is, this glow doesn't look oily. It just gives a clean, healthy, and confident vibe. Fragrance is one thing that attracts people and also makes them remember you. But the problem is, as soon as you apply perfume, after a few hours, the smell fades. But with a simple Vaseline hack, you can make your fragrance last twice as long. Just before applying perfume, apply a little Vaseline on your wrists and neck area. Then spray perfume on the same spot. Vaseline creates a moisture base to which perfume molecules stick, and the fragrance releases slowly. That is why it keeps coming lightly throughout the day. This hack is especially useful for days when you are going to college, gym, or a date and want a clean masculine aura to last all day. And bro, the best part is, this trick works even without expensive perfumes. Even a normal body spray feels premium and long-lasting with this method. Small step, but strong impact. Because fragrance is something that makes the first impression and is remembered till the end. If you think Vaseline is only for lips or face, then bro, you'll be shocked after hearing this. Bonus hack. It works like a full body repair cream. Before sleeping, apply a little Vaseline on dry elbows, heels, knees, and lips. If you want, rub a little on nails and cuticles as well. In the morning, both skin and nails will feel soft and hydrated. If your face feels dry at night, apply a pinch-sized layer of Vaseline under the eyes and around the nose corners. This repairs the skin overnight, and in the morning, the face glows naturally. This simple trick will give you a soft and clean look everywhere without any fancy cream. So bro, these were 5 smart Vaseline tricks that work not only in winter but throughout the year. One product, full grooming setup ready. Now it's not just about watching, it's about trying. Add any 2 or 3 of these hacks to your daily routine and see the difference yourself. Skin will feel clean, confidence will feel next level. So bro, subscribe to the channel right now and tell in the comments which Vaseline trick you found the most useful.